viewers, welcome to Rajput Jain and Associates. In this video, we would be discussing about MSME registration process, benefits of registration and documents required for MSME registration. First of all, it is very important to know the meaning of MSME and types of MSME. MSME stands for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, introduced by the Government of India in agreement with Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. Engaged in production, manufacturing, processing or preservation of goods and commodities. India has the largest number of MSME in the world. MSMEs play an important role in the development of the economy. When these industries grow, the economy of the country grows as well. It generates employment in the economy as well as works in the development of nations backward and rural areas. Next, we come to the classification of MSME. MSME are classified as micro, small and medium based on the following parameters. If the investment is less than rupees 1 crore and the annual turnover is less than rupees 5 crore, then it is a micro enterprise. If the investment is less than rupees 10 crore and annual turnover is less than rupees 50 crore, then it is small enterprise. If the investment is less than rupees 50 crore and annual turnover is less than rupees 250 crore, then it is a medium enterprise. Next, we move to the MSME registration process. Before discussing the registration process, let us know what Udyam registration is. What is Udyam registration certificate? Udyam registration, also known as MSME registration, is nothing but a government registration that is provided along with the recognition certificate and a unique identification number. MSME registration is done on government portal of udyamregistration.gov.in. The registration of MSME can be done under the following two categories in the portal. First is for new entrepreneurs who are not registered yet as MSME or those with EM2, and for those having registration as UAM, and for those already having registration as UAM through assisted filing. Now, for new entrepreneurs who are not registered yet as MSME or those with EM2, new entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs having EM2 registration need to click the button for new entrepreneurs who are not registered yet as MSME or those with EM2, shown on the homepage of the registration of MSME. New registration of MSME is done by entering the Aadhaar card number and PAN number. When click on the for new entrepreneurs who are not registered yet as MSME or those with EM2 button on the homepage of the government portal, it opens the page of registration and asks to enter Aadhaar number and name of the entrepreneur. After entering these details, validate and generate OTP button is to be clicked. Once this button is clicked and OTP is received and entered, the PAN verification page opens. Then entrepreneur must enter the type of organization and the PAN number and click on validate button. After that, the portal gets PAN details from the government databases and validates the PAN number of the entrepreneur. After verification of the PAN, the Udyam registration box will appear and the entrepreneurs need to fill personal details and details of the plant or industry. Once the details are filled and submit and get final OTP button is clicked, the MSME is registered and a message of successful registration with reference number will appear. After verification of registration, which may take a few days, the Udyam registration certificate is issued. Next, we come to the registration for entrepreneurs already having UAM. For those already having registration as UAM, they need to click the button for those having registration as UAM or for those already having registration as UAM through assisted filling, shown on the home page of the government portal. Udyog Aadhaar Memorandum is a single page registration that is equivalent to the previous 11 forms protocol for self-certification of MSME. So second step is this page will open page where Udyog Aadhaar number is to be entered and an OTP option should be selected. The options provided are to obtain OTP on mobile as filled in UAM or obtain OTP on email as filled UAM. After choosing the OTP options, validate and generate OTP is to be clicked. After entering OTP, registration details are filled and Udyam registration will be complete. So, what are the benefits of MSME registration? Due to the MSME registration, the bank loans become cheaper as the interest rate is very low, around 1 to 1.5%, much lower than interest on regular loans. It allows credit for minimum alternate tax to be carried forward for up to 15 years instead of 10 years. Once registration is done, the cost of registering a patent or the cost of setting up industry get reduced, since many rebates and concessions are available after registration. MSME helps to acquire government tenders easily as Udyam registration portal is integrated with government e-marketplace and various other state government portals which give easy access to their marketplace and e-tenders. There is a one-time settlement fees for no paid amounts of MSME. Next, we come to the documents required for MSME registration. First is Aadhaar card and PAN card, then duly filled application form with passport size photographs. KYC documents of applicant like passport, voter ID card, Aadhaar card, driving license, utility bills like water or electricity bill. Then business PAN card. After that, business establishment certificate, then income proof, after that bank details, then last 6 month bank statement, also rent or lease agreement or NOC from the landlord. Then lastly, any other document required by the bank. MSME registration is fully online and no proof of documents is required. PAN and GST link details on investment and turnover of enterprises will be taken automatically by the Udyam registration portal from the government databases. The Udyam registration portal is fully integrated with income tax and GST-IN system. GST is not compulsory for enterprises that do not require a GST registration under the GST law. However, the enterprises that need to compulsorily obtain GST registration under the GST regime need to have GST registration for obtaining Udyam registration. Those who have UAM registration or any other registration issued by any authority under the Ministry of MSME will have to re-register themselves in Udyam registration portal by clicking on the for new entrepreneurs who are not registered yet as MSME or those with EM2. The enterprises having UAM registration need to migrate to Udyam registration by 31st of December of 2021. If the entrepreneurs having UAM registration do not migrate to Udyam registration by 31st of December of 2021, the UAM registration will be invalid and they will not be able to receive the benefits provided to the MSMEs. So, this was all about the required information, benefits and process of MSME registration. For any other query, contact Rajput Jain and Associates. You can also visit our website www.carajput.com. Thank you.